Hello, my name is Tasha Norris, and today I'm going to address the usability of two popular social media websites, Twitter and Facebook. This information is based off of a usability test I conducted and performed on both websites for comparison. This video is directed for potential users being 18 and older. To compare both websites, I'm going to walk through a task adding a personal story. We are going to start with Twitter and then move to Facebook. Here's Twitter's homepage. To the left, you will see multiple icons for pages you can use. It took me a while to be able to find where to add a personal story. In fact, I had to use the help page in order to learn where to find it. I learned to add a personal story, you'll have to click on the three dots meaning more, and three down, you will find moments. Once you click on this, it'll open up a page, and to the right, in the right corner, you will have an icon to add a new moment. This will take you to a new page where you can add a title. You'll name it usability, a description, and a place to add a cover photo. You can add a photo from your files, and this will be uploaded. And for the moment on Twitter, you will need to add a tweet. You can add a tweet from tweets I've liked, tweets by account. You can search or add your own link. You just click this this little check mark, and that will add the tweet to your moments, and you are done. You will go into this up right corner to hit publish, and this will publish your moment, and that way you're done. Once we are done with that, we will move to Facebook to add a personal story there. On Facebook, you will be on the home page, and on the home page, there's a large option for stories to view and to add. You will click the create story, and this will give you two options to add a photo story or a text story. For this example, we will be using a text story. Here you can type whatever you would like to post, and you can change the font and the background of the story, and as soon as you are done with that, you will just push share to story, and this will be automatically uploaded to your stories here. Through this demonstration, you can see that Twitter took many more steps, while Facebook made it very easy to find and use. This led to my decision of Facebook being the most user-friendly, ranking highest in the 5 metrics of efficient, effective, engaging, error-tolerant, and easy to learn. Thank you for listening to my screencast, and I hope this helped you get a better understanding of the usability of Facebook compared to Twitter. Again, my name is Tasha Norris, and I hope you have a great day.